Hi, this is Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the Stealth Step. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. After cutting my stones apart, I am using the curve of my hallway to place them somewhat sporadically. We include a layout guide if needed. To start, I'll remove the backing from my sign and place one side onto the floor. Using a wave motion with my squeegee, I'll carefully guide the sign down. Notice how I squeegee in small sections, starting from the center and working outward towards the edges. Using those tips, I'll apply the rest of my stones. And that's the Stealth Step.